Entelechy, power your life with green energy. Entelechy high-frequency hybrid solar inverter have 4 features with built-in MPPT controller, 110A, pure sine wave output, can connect lithium battery, can work without battery. This is 3.5 kW solar hybrid inverter. Entelechy high-frequency inverter has 3 wattages. The inverter has 2 charging methods: be charged by solar energy, mains charging. This is the schematic diagram of inverter wiring connection. Plug in the Wi-Fi module, connect the Wi-Fi module to the internet and open the dedicated app to monitor the usage of the inverter. This is the usage scenario of the inverter connected to home appliances. Load test. Entelechy are a professional solar products manufacturer with 12 years experience. The factory covers an area of 5,000 and has more than 100 staffs. Entelechy, your best solar product solution.